Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to improve battery life on your Motorola Moto G57 Power. So first, what you guys want to do is shorten your screen timeout in the settings. So open up the settings app. Now go to display, and here you will need to scroll a bit down. And here you have the lock display. Now here you guys have the screen timeout, and I recommend putting it at 15 or 30 seconds. If you want to put it at 15, make sure to enable Attentive Display so it will prevent your screen from turning off if you're looking at it. So you guys can set it to 30 or 15 seconds. It's totally up to you. You guys can also put it at 30, but this is not improving. This is decreasing your battery life, so make sure to not to. Now 15 seconds is okay. I'll enable Attentive Display. And next, what you guys want to do is go over to sound and vibration. Here you guys want to scroll a bit down and disable vibration and haptics. This is very important. And next, go over to battery. So the battery, you need to scroll a bit down for it. Here we have the battery. Now what we want to do is we want to go over and go to battery usage. This way we will see all the apps that use our battery. So this phone is freshly new, there's no apps right here. Let's go over, and if you have an app already, go to manage app battery usage, and here you will restrict the background activity. Here, as you guys can see, you just click don't allow, and this is how it works. Maybe not for the Google Wallet, but here for an example, Android system key verifier. And yeah, you guys can choose an app that uses a lot of battery to restrict its background app activity. Now as a last resort, what you guys want to do is go over to display and go and enable dark theme. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.